Then you roll it the other way.
Hi!
Wave, girls.
We're making a snowman!
Maddie! Ava, come here.
I can't! I'm making the head lift. You make the middle part. Oh, I think I am. Start making the head. Let's start over with this.
Maddie!
Now we gotta make the girl look slightly different.
Give her boobies.
What? What'd you say?
Give her boobies.
We gotta give her boobs. Oh my God, come here, Daddy.
Ava! Ava!
There, rabbit poop in my snowman!
That's all right.
You make that one into the head. Now make this one into the Okay, this one is the bottom. What is that? Is that the bottom part? I think.
Just cover the rabbit poop up. Emily!
Emily, it's not big enough. I found a stick. I don't think. No, round it up. Take all this down. Emily, that's big enough. You need to work hard. Get away from us. Ew, I see. I see rabbit. Right here. I can't. How do we put it on the flat?
If you make it too big, you won't be able to lift it up.